Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Floogiel Trader Jeff, author of the book Trading Part-Time. Today's Tuesday, August the 7th. Welcome to the Floogiel Show. All right, everybody. Welcome to the show. It's August the 7th. Man, we're rocking and rolling, guys. Man, we're having a fantastic start to the week. Awesome, because last week we finished, a couple down days, but we're having a super great start to the week. Big day on the market, big day in the account. Everything big. Babies crying back there, big. Dogs barking back there, big, right? That's just the way it goes, buddy. Remember, though, yesterday we were up $6,098.34 yesterday. So today, marking it down Tuesday, let's go take a look and see what we did. All right, there's what we did, guys. $3,588.16. So today is August the 7th, $3,588.16. That puts us a little over $9,600 for the first 2 days of the week. $9,600 2 days. $3,588 today, and that's just this account, okay? I'll go to the other account here in a second. But anyway, super great day. We're going to analyze. We're going to go through our routine. We're going to look at the current trades that we're in. We're going to look to see if we have any new trades that we can place. Hopefully today you are in the private Facebook group, Trading Part-Time. All you got to do is go to that group, ask to enter or join, and I'll approve it, okay? Because it's a free group. But what I'm doing is I went live in the morning, looking at the market analysis in the morning. I went live in the afternoon. And I'm not going to go live tonight because I'm going to do my show tonight. But anyway, I'm going to be going live in there, okay? It's a free group, and we're going to be hitting it hard tonight. So go, ask to join that group, and I'll approve it, okay? Because, again, you want to catch the market action in the morning as well as the afternoon. And then, of course, you want to watch a show tonight. So $9,600 in 2 days, $3,588 a day. So we're going to let you go. The rest of the show tonight, hopefully we see you on the blog. Okay, so just as soon as this part's over, hit the link, go to the blog so you can watch the full show on what happened. And you do not want to miss it. Right? You looking for financial freedom? $9,000 in 2 days. You don't want to miss it. All right, we'll see you in a minute inside the blog. Okay, everybody, welcome to the blog. Now, those that don't really care about learning how to make money, they're gone. Now we've got you. All right, guys, so we saw $3,588 today. So what we're going to do is let's go through our routine. Let's strap it on. Let's do this bad boy here. Okay, so all right. So what we're going to do is we always want to establish our market posture, right? Our long-term market posture, our intermediate-term posture, and our short-term posture. Now, the long-term posture and intermediate-term posture, they don't really change that much. The intermediate posture changes, somewhat, but long-term posture, not really, so it's usually quick. Short-term posture is what, in the most part, can kind of change. So I'm going to go here to my long-term posture tool. So the long-term posture is up. Right? When this line's above this line, it's up. And what that means is I have permission to trade bullish trades, right? Because my long-term posture is up. This is a 2-year weekly chart. All I'm doing is I'm looking at that. So now I'm going to drop it down into a 6-month daily chart. And I'm going to change it to my intermediate term posture tool. this line is going up. So my intermediate posture is up. So what that means is if I'm going to take a trend trade, basically a longer term trade, an intermediate term trade is any trade that lasts between 4 weeks and 9 months. I am going to be able to take a full position size. So if I risk $1,000, I'm going to be able to trade $1,000 because it's up. Now what I want to do though is I want to see if we have permission. With this tool right here, this lets me know if we can even trade intermediate term trades. See, when this line, this green line is above this zone and it's the 80 zone, that means yes, we have posture permission, okay? Again, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm taking you through my routine, right? Because I go through my routine every night, so I might as well just do it while we're on the air, right? So that's what I'm doing. It's not about just pointing out things that, you know, people don't really understand, or some of you might, but I'm going through what I do. So the answer is I have posture permission, which means I can trade intermediate term trades. I have an intermediate term strategy called the 3 green arrow strategy that I learned from some of the best traders on earth, and I have permission to do that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it down into the shorter term time frame, and I'm going to see what my short term posture is. And I've been drawing these little boxes, but short term posture is different than our intermediate. So if I'm going to place a short term trade, any trade between 2 days and 4 weeks, then this is important to me because this lets me know if I can trade it and if I can do a full position size. So I told you we had equal lows here. So in this case, yesterday we were bullish to neutral. We're still bullish to neutral, or up to sideways, whatever the way you want to say it, because it's the same. Okay, and the reason why we're bullish or up is because we have a higher high. We know that. The reason why we're neutral is because we have an equal low. So we have a bullish to neutral or an up to sideways short-term posture. That means I am allowed to take a half a position on my trades, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze the short-term trades that we're currently in. Okay, now this is another account. This account fluctuates constantly. Like I said, it was one thing when the market closed, and now look, like it's $1.62, now it's down 38, so it's been fluctuating. Like I said, we were up in the granddaddy account over 3,000 something dollars. This is mainly my, you know, I've got some coal stocks, some blockchain, some crypto, some marijuana, some day trading stocks. What we're going to do is we're going to go here to the ATR because we got filled today into WBA, ATR trade. So let's go look at WBA because we actually entered that trade today. It was a bull flag bounce, and it was what's called our ATR trade. So now I'm going to adjust the stop. Every day in this trade, we move our stop below this low. So 67.90. So let me go in here and let me adjust this trade every day. Okay, this trade is a, you know, you got to manage this trade. I mean, we look at it every single day, and we make adjustments to this trade every single day. So we went from 66.02 to 66.70. So we took 50 cents of risk off the table, right? So I'm going to put that in for tomorrow. I like to give it a little bit of time delay so that way I don't get gypped by the market makers. But again, I'm going to look at that in the morning, and I'm going to go on the air. If you're in the trading part-time group, I'm going to go on the air and see if it's gapping over our position. So I change it to 66.70, confirm and send. And again, I moved my stop loss up. 66.70. Yep, that's where we're at. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Right now on that trade, we entered today. We're down $100. Hey, that's part of the game, right? That's what happens. We entered it because we entered it, and then it went down. But tomorrow it could go right back up. No big deal if it goes down. We don't care because we position size properly, right? We took our half a risk, which is good. Remember, our short-term posture is up to neutral, so we took a half a position. Because when it's got the word neutral in it, you know, a lot of those bullish trades, I mean, you know, they're 50-50. So we take a half a position because we're not as confident in the move. So let's go to our other short-term holdings. We have Costco. Costco did good for us today. We already moved up our stop. If you were watching the group during the day, I moved up my stop to 222.78. 222.78. That's where we're at right now. So you might hear babies crying, guys. Yeah, we got babies crying everywhere. Sorry. It's part of the game. So let's see here. It's the price of doing business. You got babies crying, right? So here, at or below 22.78, we're going to change that to 8. Okay, sorry guys, we're back. But anyway, so we are adjusting this position right here. And let me kind of go here. So it's at or below 22. We change that for tomorrow. We're good to go, guys. We're good to go. And that trade, Costco, we're up $394. So right here, we're up $394 on that trade, okay? Again, these are quicker term trades. I mean, these trades normally last between 2 to 5 days. They're usually fast. So we're trying to make money so we can, utilize it. So let's go to Verizon. Verizon, we're in that trade as well, ATR. So I'm going to adjust my position on Verizon right now. So here we're going to plug it in the calculator. 5202. So let me go here to the working orders. And I am going to adjust the position. And what's so good about this is I'm taking risk off the table. Because I'm adjusting it every day, I'm taking risk off the table. In this case, I'm taking risk. So I'm adjusting it to 5202. 5202, confirm it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it, 5202. So, bam, there we go. We're taking risk off the table, guys. That's what we do. And this is again, it's a quicker term trade, man. We're trying to make money, get in and get out, and we're up $4. So, because we entered, it's down, it's an option. So, we're up $4 on this trade. Is it $4? Hang on. Trade price, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the delta. And I'm going to add the trade price. Okay, again, this is my plus. So trade price, 1.4. Actually, no. 2. We're up $10. Woo, $10. Again, it's early, man. I mean, it went up, went down. I mean, boom. So we got 3 ATR trades going on right now. We're up $168. Boom. Credit spread, we have 2 vertical spreads. There's nothing we need to do until we get under 20 days. So we don't even need to look at this position until it's under 20 days. It's a low maintenance strategy. Like I said, it's a high probability. We don't really do too much. That ATR trade, we look at it every day because we're trying to get money and get out, right? Trend trade, we got an option trend trade going on. So here today in the option trend trade, you know what? We're looking for an 80 delta. We were down today. There's nothing we do there. FCX, I already told you there's nothing there. And again, and then right here. So I'm in a synthetic long stock in gold. Synthetic is a way to use options to mimic a stock trade. Today was up. That's good. We had that divergence going on, so I would like to see some continuation. But what I need to do is I need to go to my position here in gold, and I need to adjust it. Okay. So 88, what we're doing is we're doing our maintenance right now. We get the market posture. We take a look at our open orders. We make any adjustments that we need to. And then after that, we analyze it a little bit more. So we're good. That's our adjustment for the day. As far as our open short-term positions. Boom, good to go. Okay, good to go. So now, again, like I told you earlier, we were up $3,588 on the Big Daddy account, right? The big boy account, man. But today, the strongest was the Dow Jones 30, okay? So, now, this is the ETF. So, it says 1.27, which means the Dow Jones was up about 126, 127. So that's kind of the way it works. So if this is 1.27, that means the Dow was up 127. Today was a breakout. So today was a breakout in the diamonds, okay? So that's good. The next was the QQQ. It hasn't quite broke out yet, so the diamonds has been stronger as of late. But this is the NASDAQ 100. It was up. So look, it's 0.66. Watch this. So, well, different looking, but it was up 0.66 or 23 points. That's a little different than diamonds, but the bottom line is it was up. It was up 0.32%, and if you look at the ETF, 0.36%. But look at the picture. See where this is compared to this? So if I go back here, look at the picture. It's exactly the same, right? It's exactly the same. I'll do it again. Watch that picture. It's the same. See, that's what we care about. So the S&P 500 broke out yesterday. It was up 8 points today. So if you're going to trade the ETF. But now we're just waiting for the pullback. So there's nothing I'm doing there. I just wanted to see the strength of it, right? The IWM is the ETF that tracks the Russell 2000. You see the difference of the picture? These are flattening out. So nothing, but it was positive update today. The sectors over here, energy was the strongest. So if we look at our little car, we know that what we're doing is we're just trying to see the sectors that are up, down, or sideways. So like, for example, energy was up today, but this is sideways. Okay, so I go to the industrials because that was the second strongest today. This is headed down. This is headed up. We want to see both of those going up, so this is sideways. Okay, again, I'm just looking for those up. Now, this is going up, this is going up. So the discretionary, right-click, add to, right, there's bullish sectors. Where we at, buddy? I got so many watch lists. Bullish sectors, right there. Okay, that's what we're doing every day. XLF, again, see how it's the same as kind of like, I think it was the industrials. This is barely going, this is going up, but this is still flat. It's a mess. It's sideways. Plus, we got a candle patterns. I can barely see. Shooting star candle pattern. Okay, that's a bearish candle pattern. So it's sideways. I ain't doing nothing. Now, you see how this is going up? This is going up. That's a lot easier to see. So we right-click. We add that to our bullish sectors. XLB was the next one today. This is definitely flat. XLV. We looked at that today in the middle of the day. This is clearly going up. So what this means is if I'm looking at this sector, this is a strong sector. It's been probably one of the strongest, and we've got a nice higher high. So what I would like to see today, we had a small doji candle, so that usually means indecision. So hopefully we get a pullback. If we get a pullback, we can look at taking some of these trades. XLU was down today, but see these lines? This line is above this line. This is going up. So the sector is up. Even though it was a down day today, the sector has been up. XLRE, real estate, it's going up. So the real estate sector is also going up. XLP, going up. This is a beautiful potential bull flag forming. But again, at this point, all I'm doing is looking at the sectors to see the strength. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the trading. So I'm going to go to my bullish sectors. So if I go here to my bullish sectors, let's find them, guys. We've got technology. So I'm going to write those down. That way I don't have to keep going back and forth. So we're going to look at our sectors. Let me just write these down. So we got bullish sectors. The bullish sectors are XLK, XLP, XLRE, XLU, XLV, and XLY. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullish sectors. So now we're going to dive down into our stocks that are in those sectors, okay? And we trade the biggest stocks in the sector. So we focus on the 10 stocks that represent the majority of the sector. I don't need to look for 50 million trades, right? I'm looking for specific stuff. So we got XLK. So let's go to XLK and let's see if we can find trades to place. We're looking for bull flag setups. I like it, but not yet. Nope. Okay, this is a bear flag, right? Bear flag. But since our short-term posture is up to neutral, I'm not trading bear flags, okay? We got breakouts going on here. If you really want to look, I'll show you. We got potential breakouts. Price came up to that area. But again, this class is so you can get into my world. This is what we do in my stocks coaching class or my master class. I teach you exactly this routine and what to look for. Okay, nothing. Okay, so we're already in this trade, as you know. I already went over that. Wait, Microsoft. Did we go over Microsoft? Oh, no, Microsoft, we're in a credit spread. So we're looking beautiful. We entered here into the credit spread, which means we just want price to stay above this line. We're looking beautiful in that, and we're making a lot of money in that because if you go to credit spread, we're making $982 in this trade. Okay, but we got into this trade, ATR. So, boom, that's XLK. Let's go to XLP. I'm going to go back up here. Hang on. See, it's starting to form, but there's not enough. I need this distance in here to be at least 1 ATR. It's just not enough pullback yet. So I'm going to skip it. Just going through my watch list. I'm already in this trade. This is a vertical spread. I got in here. Well, I got in 2 trades. I have a vertical spread and I also have that ATR trade. So I'm looking beautiful. Costco, but we're already in it. Okay. Nothing. God, there's not enough pullback for me, guys. Starting to, but not yet. Okay. First day of a downtrend. So if it gets a little bullish harami tomorrow, that would be a good trade setup. It's gone very far. Procter & Gamble. So I would like to see some pullback. Here, nope. I got into this trade already. You know that, so I'm in Walgreens. I purchased an option trade. Need to see a pullback. XLP. So we already looked here at this one. Nope. Let's go to XLU. We're going to look at the stocks. Now, I looked at these earlier, and we've got some that over the next couple days could be setting up beautiful, okay? So watch this. See, I think it was this sector. Here, it's just kind of a sideways mess. These are going up, but the entry was right here. Nothing. Too late. Nothing. Again, I'm looking for specific setups, man. This will be good here. Oops. In a couple days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to add that to my at the gates bull flag. Sideways. Okay, that's it. XLV. This was the one we looked at earlier. These got a lot of potential good setups in the future. Not that one. Potential over the next couple of days. This sector is a good sector to watch. Sideways. Right here. I think we looked at Celgene earlier today and there just wasn't enough juice in the options. Okay, sideways. Kind of a pennant formation. You know, we're not looking for pennants. We're looking for, ooh, this could be beautiful the next couple of days. And it was a shooting star candle pattern. Bearish candle pattern. So what I would like to see is some pullback over the next couple of days so we can get into an option trade. Nothing. Same concept. We got a doji. Okay. And so we've got that tombstone doji, right? Kills the uptrend. And also it's a bearish harami. Bearish harami, tombstone doji. We need to see some pullback. In order for us to take a bull flag trade, we got to see some pullback. Nothing. So we got one more sector, guys. Again, this is what we do every night. We go through our, we look for our market posture. We look at our existing trades. We look at the sectors to see. And the reason why I'm focusing on bullish sectors is because the market is bullish to up. If the market was bearish to down or bearish to side, I would be looking at the down sectors. Again, we're trading the strong sectors when the market is strong. That's what we do. Nothing there. Disney. Oof, that looks good over the next couple days. Man, if I can just pull back. So a lot of these are giving us potential good setups over the next couple days. Not right now. Very specific on what I'm looking for. Okay, again, I'm here to make money. This is my account. We're trading it. You're watching it over the next couple of days. This ain't about just pointing out support. No, I'm showing you actionable items that you can make money because you're watching this class right now. Nothing. Boom. That's it. I do want to take a look at the VIX today, though. The market was up pretty strong, so we would expect the VIX to be down, right? And the VIX was down. Now it's got a hammer. If you kind of map it out, it's got a hammer right here at the support level. So, No problem. Now, let's go take a look at some currencies. Let's see here. I'm in this position. The British pound, Japanese yen. I need some fight in a Japanese yen. So right here, I'm looking for it to curl back up. So until I get stopped out, I'm in it. So right now, you know what? Can't do nothing. If it rolls down and stops us out, hey, that's good. That means we lost what we needed to lose. Okay. So this is the euro, Turkish lira, up. Now, okay, I got in this trade today for a bear flag. It was a strong day, so I'm losing, but you see how it's kicking off now? I want to see this roll over. I did a sell limit order on the Aussie, so I want the Aussie dollar to be weak. That's the Nikkei, the Japanese index. The Aussie sideways channel, same thing. I got an order for the United States dollar Canadian to hit me here, sell limit order, and then roll back over. Okay, so I got several forex positions going on. I got stock trades. The New Zealand dollar, you can do a buy limit order down here. I'm not, because I'm already in the euro, United States dollar. But if I wasn't, this is a potential good one. Swiss franc, British pound, same thing here. You can do a buy limit order here. How many pounds are we in? You know what? Let's do that. I'm going to put that in right now. Buy. So you're seeing what's going on here. We're just going to do one. Okay, so one mini lot. One mini lot, it's $1 a pip. Okay? So to target 113, stop loss 111. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to buy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, now if I look at that, see it's 1127, right? So if I look at this right here, it's 1152 minus, oops, 11152 minus 11125, 27, right? No big deal. 27 pips, not a problem. Hang on a second, let me see something real quick. This is the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Let's go out here. Yeah, it's 3 decimals out, so it's 270 pips is what I was risking. Okay? No big deal. Either way, we bought one of those bad boys. Target's going to be right here. So if you back it out, this is the trade I got going on. One mini lot. One mini lot of $1 a pip. Actually, we're not risking. Our risk is very small, because if we're going to lose fast. I want this to roll over, hit this, and then go back up. And I want to target up here, right? So I got a buy limit order on the Swiss franc, Japanese yen with a very, very small risk, right? Very small risk. Working orders. Yeah, see here, all you got to do is take this limit order that I have, which is 111.514 minus 111.272. This is the exact, okay? 24. So that's it. 24 pips. That ain't nothing but a thing, yo. Okay, so wait, we're not done. United States Turkish lira. Wanting to pull back. We're not in this trade. Euro, Turkish lira. Again, this is not a class where I'm teaching. This is a class that I'm going through my routine. Okay? Obviously, I already looked at that Canadian dollar. Bearish. I wanted to hook up. So I got several Forex positions going on as well. And again, we cleaning up. It's not just the United States market. It's the Forex market. You know what? Let me see something real quick. Got groups everywhere, guys. Hang on a second. Let's see here. TradingView.com. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin and the Ethereum. Bitcoin. Now that's down right now, but for the day, let's see what happened with Bitcoin on the day. We're almost done. Ooh, Bitcoin down. Okay. But it's coming right back to support. So guys, you could do a buy limit order here. Okay, so if it comes to here, you could buy Bitcoin in hopes that it bounces off this support, or you could wait to see what happens in this area and get some bullish candle patterns and then buy it, okay? But I love what's happening in Bitcoin. It broke through our inverted head and shoulders, and it's come all the way back down to the breakout area. That is what we get excited about. So, but it was down today. Ethereum was down pretty good, it looks like. I'm just pulling up. Ooh, oh man, Ethereum's taking a beating. Okay, guys, so here we go. Ethereum, this is what happens though. It broke support, and when it breaks support, that's what it does. It drops, and Ethereum's dropping big time. Right now, the price is $383 a coin, okay? So, price target, 60 is about down here. So here, look at this. This is where I'm looking for. I've got it down here-ish. So what I want to see is this is where this should fall. But when it comes to about the 362, 365, okay, which is another $20, if it comes down here and starts giving some reversal signs, and I'm going to see that in the price and indicators, I'm going to be all over that. So guys, right now, Ethereum's getting beat up. Bitcoin is getting beat up too. Ethereum's getting crushed, okay? But again, it's the way it works in the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's kind of go back out here. There we go, buddy. That's our market review today. We had a huge day. Huge day. Up 3,588, up $9,600 in 2 days. Our Forex market positions, we're winning some, we're losing some, but bam, we're all set for tomorrow. Join us tomorrow in a Facebook group at the Market Open, where we're going to look to see what's happened in the morning. We'll do our routine, and we'll hit it hard. All right, everybody. Until next time, this is Floogiel Trader Jeff, author of the book, Trading Part-Time, where I teach people how to trade stocks, options, technical analysis, and the foreign exchange market, as well as the cryptocurrency and crypto mining. All right, guys. Peace out.